1. I have the pleasure to introduce you to the stunning 1936 Pontiac Street Rod, available at a price of $11,500. This unique car, having traveled 44,000 miles, has become a real work of art, and its mighty 454/460 big block engine makes it a real beast on the road. A specially selected Flowmaster exhaust manifold adds sonority to this powerful engine, and the Hurst automatic transmission provides smooth and comfortable control. This car is not only powerful, but also reliable with a perfectly functioning control system and brakes. The body of this Pontiac Street Rod does not have the slightest trace of bond, and the paint and the style of a special primer emphasizes its uniqueness and retains an impeccable appearance. It is equipped with an up and down adjustable steering column, and the Nova rear axle with a 3.62 ratio and a 10-bolt mount provides excellent stability and performance. This Pontiac Street Rod requires only minor cosmetic improvements to become even more gorgeous. If you are looking for something special with power and style, this car definitely deserves your attention. 2. I present to you a unique 1967 Dodge Coronet R/T, which is now available for $62,900. This car is a true instance for investment, representing a real living artifact of time. It has all the characteristics of a real treasure: original paint, matching numbers, one owner, and only 55,923 miles of mileage over the years. This R/T 440 with a 4-speed gearbox is a real rarity, one of 10,109 such cars produced. It has been perfectly preserved thanks to the careful attitude of the sole owner, Fred Uncha. This car has never seen winter or bad weather conditions. Fred always kept it in the garage, kept it in immaculate condition, and in fact, spoiled this car. The original paint looks amazing for its age, with some small defects that only add character to this unique car. The 375 horsepower engine with the 440 Magnum magnet remained in its original condition, and is a true work of art in the factory style. The original 833 4-speed transmission and the Dana 60 rear axle with a sure grip Posey traction system and a 354 gear ratio complete this wonderful set, making it undoubtedly one of the best representatives of its time. And with documentation in the form of a production sheet, a sales paper, and an operating manual, this car not only offers you a unique ownership experience, but also confirms its history on written documents. 3. I present to you the 1955 Plymouth Belvedere, available for purchase at a price of $15,000. This magnificent car, having traveled 167,000 miles, is now presented in its best form. With an automatic transmission, a rebuilt 318 BL engine, and an updated 904 transmission with a B/M shift kit, this car has found a second life. Recent work includes the installation of a new gas tank, aluminum radiator, carburetor, intake manifold, and Flowmaster exhaust system. In addition, it is shod with new wheels and tires, which gives it a stylish look and improves its performance. This car impresses with its appearance and character, while all appliances and lighting work properly. All changes and improvements have been made in order to make it more productive and comfortable for you. Finished in an undefined color, this Plymouth Belvedere is not only a historical artifact, but also a great car for daily use. 4. I present to you the 1955 Dodge Custom Royal, available for purchase at a price of $18,495. With this magnificent car driving 53,142 miles, history becomes part of its charm. It is in excellent condition, with an automatic transmission and exterior and interior decoration in green tones. The model is equipped with a Hemi engine with a volume of 272 cubic inches and a power of 183 EP, which provides it with excellent performance. Additional improvements include front disc brakes, providing safety and control while driving. Although the front seat requires some work, the owner provides the SMS material that comes with the car. This Dodge Custom Royal also comes with an extensive set of documents, manuals, and maintenance records, highlighting its care and history. The car has a clean title, and according to the seller, has no serious damage or problems. Taking into account all these features, this car will become not only a reliable traveler, but also a wonderful collectible. 5. Your attention is drawn to the 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, a beautiful car that is currently available at a price of $25,000. This beautiful classic, painted in bright red with a black interior, attracts looks and has a unique character. Equipped with a powerful 327 TEAG engine and an Edelbrock intake and carburetor system with manual idling, this car provides reliable performance. The Turbo 350 automatic transmission provides smooth shifts, making driving as comfortable as possible. This Bel Air is a great option for daily driving, combining the reliability of mechanics and attractive appearance. Although it is not a car for exhibitions, it is ideal for those who like to drive their classic car and gradually improve it in the process. With this car, you will not only get a reliable daily companion, but also the opportunity to make changes step by step and create a unique car that matches your ideas about style and performance. 6. We present to your attention the stunning 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Custom Restomod, which is currently available at a price of $75,950. This coupe, which is an exceptional example, has been updated to modern standards, provides an incredible driving experience. Equipped with a powerful 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, this Camaro is ready to offer you a unique experience on the road. Automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive make driving this car incredibly comfortable. The appearance of this car attracts attention, thanks to its bright coloring and orange-silver tones. The black vinyl interior gives it a refined look and creates an elegant atmosphere in the cabin. This Chevrolet Camaro is a unique combination of classic style and modern technology, which makes it an ideal choice for those who appreciate outstanding performance and stylish appearance. 7. I present to your attention a rare copy, 1965 Plymouth Fury Convertible, which is currently available at a price of $27,995. This car, owned by just one family over the past 60 years, is a real find for collectors. The powertrain of this Fury includes a reliable 318 cubic inch V8 from Chrysler, which was rebuilt 10 years ago and drove only 20,000 miles after that. The automatic transmission provides smooth and comfortable control. This car was purchased by the owner from the son of the original owner, and he appreciates its uniqueness. He emphasizes that the car was repainted only once more than 20 years ago, and its varnish looks as if it was applied yesterday. The original interior is in excellent condition. History is connected with this car, and its condition is a vivid example of how careful ownership can preserve the beauty and character of a classic car. 8. A rare copy is presented to your attention, the 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, which is now available at a price of $17,900. This car has a rich history, having covered 76,082 miles on the roads. The description from the seller emphasizes its external attractiveness. The body is painted in an original shade of off-white, and the interior is made in warm brown tones. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This Fury is a real survivor, devoid of serious damage or problems. With a clean title and full payment, he is ready to impress with his vintage look and fascinating history of movements. 9. I present to your attention a unique 1957 Chevrolet, which is currently available at a price of $28,500. This magnificent car has covered 100,000 miles on the roads, offering the unique driving experience. The description from the seller highlights its key features. This is a two-door Chevy sedan with a manual transmission. The car is painted in an exquisite blue color, both outside and inside. It is equipped with a powerful 350 engine, as well as front disc brakes for additional driving comfort. The characteristics of this 1957 Chevrolet include excellent performance and handling. Chrome elements give it a stylish look, and the interior stands out for high quality and comfort. Although the body has inexpensive paint, the car itself is ready to impress you with its unique appearance and confidence on the road. 10. I present the unique 1928 Chevrolet National, which is currently available at a price of $16,000. This historic car belongs to the number of unique copies, with a mileage of only 7,600 miles, and is ready to win you over with its authentic appearance. Described by the seller, this Chevrolet National is the true embodiment of automotive heritage. With a 4-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it retains its originality mainly in the technical part, with maintenance and an updated fuel pump. Although the car has been repainted in the past, its character is preserved inside and out. The seller claims that the interior is mostly original, with some replacements or updates. For its 95 years, this car continues to perform well on the road, with some of the usual oil leaks characteristic of cars of its time. The seller expresses the interest of the buyers, and although he is in no hurry to sell, he is considering the possibility of freeing up space in the garage. This Chevrolet National is not just a car, it is a piece of history, ready to continue its fascinating journey with a new owner.